In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set contactless payments to Google Pay. By the end, you'll have your card added, verified, and ready to tap and pay with your Android phone. Start on your computer or phone browser by visiting wallet.google.com and signing in to the same Google account you use on your Android device. This keeps everything synced so the card you add online appears in your Google Wallet app automatically. Once you're in, look for payment methods. This is where Google stores the cards you use for purchases across Google services and in-store contactless payments. Open that section, then choose Add Payment Method. You'll be prompted to add a credit or debit card. Enter your card number, expiration date, security code, and billing details exactly as they appear on your statement. Accuracy here helps avoid verification hiccups. After you submit the card, follow the on-screen instructions to verify it with your bank. Depending on your bank, this may involve receiving a one-time code by SMS, email, or your banking app. Keep your phone handy, enter the code promptly, and wait for the confirmation that your card is ready for Google Wallet. If a code doesn't arrive, use the resend option or check with your bank to confirm they support contactless payments with Google Wallet. Next, move to your Android device. Open Settings, go to Connections, then find NFC and make sure it's turned on. Without NFC enabled, Tap to Pay won't work. Menu names can vary slightly by device. If you don't see connections, search for NFC in the Settings search bar. While you're in Settings, ensure Google Wallet is set as your default payment app. Look for options like Contactless Payments or Default Payment App and select Google Wallet. This tells your phone which app to use when you tap at a terminal. Now open the Google Wallet app on your phone, tap your profile picture in the top right and look for the Tap to Pay setup option. Confirm that your newly added card shows is ready or that Google Wallet indicates you're set for contactless payments. If you see a prompt to finish setup, follow it. Usually it just confirms the verification you completed earlier. That's it. You've added your card, verified it, enabled NFC, set Google Wallet as the default, and confirmed everything is ready inside the app. If something doesn't appear, give it a moment to sync. Ensure you're signed into the same Google account and verify your card and region are supported. You're now prepared to use contactless payments confidently with Google Pay on your Android device.